making his debut, Barack Obama. This is Barack's debut match. Get ready. Go. Oh, a flip. Yeah. Let's see which one of these guys are gonna win. You got punched off. Jumped on too early. Oh, submission. Escape, man, escape. Pissed him off, though. Grab it. Bam! Oh! Stealing it back, huh? Well, that's gotta hurt. Wait, what's he doing? What's he doing? Is this guy's crazy? Is this guy crazy? Oh, that's gotta hurt. He's doing so. What the heck is he doing? Oh! Oh, that's gotta hurt. Oh! Oh, push him down. Hey, do you need a lightsaber? Then come on down to Sabers R Us, where the sabers are always cheap. Do you know how to use the Force? If you don't know, we will give you free lessons. Just ask this guy. He's none. I tried to get to learn how to do it. You're not supposed to say it was hard. You were supposed to say it was easy. I thought it would be funny. Well, right now I paid you for no reason. What? Sorry about that, folks. Now, I'm slipping. 20 sabers on the ground. Oh, wait. Oh, choke slam. He's going for the choke slam. I really gotta get a new camera. Crap, run! Boom! Straight. Is he actually trying to do this? Oh! He's getting out. Oh! Oh! This is getting annoying. Oh! Ah! Oh yeah! Slam on him right there! Oh! Focus! Yeah! Do you want a saber? Well, right now, we're having a sale. 50% off for a saber. And if you buy a saber, you get this free. Yes. Sabers R Us sucks. Yeah! I'm sorry I had to kick Stewie to the ground. I mean, the guy I don't know to the ground. But it had to be. Excuse me, do you got to... Oh. Even the guy's man... Even CW's manager is getting old. Saber in size. Super small. Dang, you're tiny! Oh my gosh, you're so tiny! Ha, you stupid tiny person! Hey! What are you doing? Take that, Anakin Skywalker. Ah! So come on down to Saber's Ark. Ah! 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 Turn the camera off! Turn it off! Ah! Take that again, Anakin Skywalker. It isn't. No, it's weird. CW's the chairman. Ah! Brock's doing good. But he's doing too good, if you know what I mean. Ah! Slam to the back. Somebody get that manager out of there. Oh, he just punched his own manager off. Oh my gosh, he knocked out the ref. He must be mad now. It's crazy. It's just crazy. He's not mad. He's crazy. Well, you could say he's mad if you mean mad by crazy, but... Oh, no. This is too gruesome. Oh! Get back in that ring. Get back in that ring. Wait, what's he doing? Oh! One, two. This is getting old. Come on, take him out already. Ah! Take him out. Oh! No. Oh! Took out his manager, too. Go in. The heck? No way. Ah! Did he just... Oh no, what is he doing? He's doing a choke slam. Oh! He just broke out of that. Boom! 2, 3, ding, 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 ding. He lost his debut match. Wow. A lot of people I know usually win their debut match, but hey, look, it's John Cena. He's a, oh yeah. Yeah. Brock did a choke slam on him, but he's more than that. He didn't even use a finisher. That was just crazy. Crazy extreme wrestling. Dun-dun-dun.